Hi students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the physics assignment number 1 of class 6th in the topic of fun with the magnets. Yes, come on to the assignment. Here in the first Roman, the first question is asking artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as dash, comma, dash and dash. Nothing but we know artificial magnets are available in different shapes. In that, at least minimum 3 shapes we have to mention here, right? So we know that one is bar magnet, which is present in the shape of bar, and one more is a ring magnet, and another is a disc magnet. Not only these three, still we are having horseshoe magnet and sphere magnets are also there, but here just to mention at least 3 shapes of artificial magnets here. Coming to the second question, what are the magnetic substances? Means we know that substances are classified into 2 groups based upon whether they are attract or not attract. What happens, what we can call the substance which attract to the magnet are called as magnetic substances. Simply we can define that substances which attract to what? Attract to magnet. So substances which attract to magnet are called magnetic substances. And coming to the next one, the second Roman, the first question is asking who discovered magnet. It's a very simple. We know that an old shepherd person, what is the name? Called Magnus. What is the name? Magnus. His name is Magnus. And coming to the next one, what is magnetite called now? So actually a magnetite is an iron ore, but now we are calling this magnetite as a magnet. What we can call as a magnet. Right. Next, coming to the third question here, make a list of given substances into 2 groups, magnetic and non-magnetic. He is asking that he is given some substances here. In that substances we have to divide them into 2 groups. One is magnetic substances and another is non-magnetic substances. Come and divide these substances here. Right. First group is magnetic. Magnetic is a one classification and another is non-magnetic. Right. So we have to classify these given substances into these 2 groups. We will check one by one substance. First, if you see key is attract to the magnet, so it can come under magnetic substances. We know that magnetic means substances which attract to magnet or comes under magnetic substances. Magnets which are not attract or comes under non-magnetic substances. Coming to here, key is attract to the magnet, so it is comes under magnetic. And next one is a wood. Wood is not attract to the magnet, so it is non-magnetic. And next, glass is also not attract to the magnet, so it is also comes under non-magnetic. And next one, alpine. We know that alpine is attract to the magnet, so we have seen that alpines are stick to the cap of the pin holder, right? Those alpines are attract, so those alpine comes under magnetic substance. And next, chalk. chalk is not attract to the magnet, that is comes under non-magnetic. And next, pencil is also not attract, so that is also comes under non-magnetic. Next, nail, we know that nail is attract to the magnet, so it is comes under magnetic substance. And next, cup of tea is not attract to the magnet, so comes under non-magnetic. Cup of tea. And next, book is also not attract, so that is also comes under non-magnetic. Rubber is also not attract, so that is also comes under non-magnetic. And next, needle, we know that magnetic needle we are using in a magnetic compass, so that is attract, so that's why it is comes under magnetic substance. Next, fork is also attract to the magnet, it is also comes under magnetic. Table, here table is made up of wood is already comes under non-magnetic substance, that's why table is also comes under non-magnetic. Okay, so this is the classification of these substances into two groups like magnetic and non-magnetic. Coming to the next one, here he is asking draw different types of magnets. We have to draw different shapes of magnets here. Now for that I am drawing first magnet I am drawing here, it is a bar magnet. Bar magnet. So we know that it is having two poles north and south. Okay, it is a one type of artificial magnet. And coming to the next one is a horseshoe magnet. Next one is a horseshoe magnet. So it is having the shape of like a horseshoe. It is also having a two poles north and south. And one more different shape of a magnet, that is a ring magnet. What is that? A ring magnet. Ring magnet. And next one more different shape of a magnet, that is a disc magnet. What is that? A disc magnet. Disc magnet. So these are the different types of magnets which we are having now. So what is this? Is a bar magnet and is a horseshoe magnet, and this is a ring magnet, and this is a disc magnet. So these are the different types of magnets. Thank you.